Hahnemann had advised to use occasional doses of potentized sulfur intercurrently with selected similimum in the treatment of chronic diseases, to produce perfect cure. Even though did not explain why he advised so, he called sulphur as the king of antipsorics. Based on the scientific redefining of homeopathy, MIT recommends to use sulphur 32 or 3 drops regularly once or twice every month to maintain perfect health, and to protect the individuals from infectious diseases, and also give sulphur 30 intercurrently with selected similimum in the treatment of acute as well as chronic diseases for ensuring perfect cure. MIT has also provided scientific and rational explanation for this recommendation. It is a fact well known in biochemistry that active sites and binding sites of most of the biological molecules such as antibodies, enzymes and receptors are constituted by cysteine radicals having thiol functional groups containing sulfur. Many drug substances of animal and vegetable origin also interact with biological molecules using their sulfur-containing functional groups. A wide range of infectious agents such as bacteria and viruses produce diseases by binding to biological molecules using their sulfur moieties. Many of the food articles we use every day also contain various chemical molecules having functional groups with sulfur as their essential moiety. Food articles, infectious agents, environmental pollutants and drug substances having sulfur-containing functional groups may competitively bind to various essential biological molecules in the organism and produce molecular inhibitions leading to pathological deviations in various biochemical pathways. It is obvious that most of us will have some or other molecular errors existing in us that are used by sulfur-containing functional groups. This scientific observation explains why sulfur is at least partially indicated in majority of human beings, and why administration of potentized sulfur gives some relief for all individuals. According to MIT understanding of potentization as molecular imprinting, post-Avogadro diluted sulfur will contain molecular imprints of sulfur, which can act as artificial binding pockets for functional groups containing sulfur moiety. Since many of the pathological conditions, especially those belonging to the class of constitutional diseases, are caused by inhibitions of enzymes and other protein molecules being part of important biochemical pathways, caused by sulfur-containing pathogenic molecules, molecular imprints of sulfur can play a great role in maintaining our health by removing those molecular inhibitions. It is now perfectly obvious why Hahnemann called sulfur as king of antipsorics, and advised to use it as an intercurrent remedy along with similimum.